Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. Cleanse and support the liver. Scientists have named 6 foods that will help you with this. The function of the liver is to remove toxins from the body, so it is very important to take care of its health. The liver helps regulate the amount of cholesterol and sugar in the blood, cleanses the blood, activates enzymes important for digestion, and metabolizes alcohol, writes at times. Here are a few foods to help you cleanse your liver and support liver function. Fiber-rich foods. Increasing your fiber intake is very beneficial for liver health. Fiber reduces blood sugar levels, the excess of which is deposited in the liver. Therefore, you should include whole grains, fresh vegetables and fruits in your daily diet. Green tea. Drinking green tea is very beneficial, especially for those looking to lose weight. But besides, green tea also helps to remove excess fat from the liver. This drink is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which remove stored fat from the liver. Therefore, it is worth drinking green tea every day. Citrus. There are many fruits that can help cleanse your liver naturally. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which enhances the enzymes needed to detoxify the liver. Walnuts. Walnuts contain a variety of amino acids as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 acids are eliminated in the elimination of harmful substances from the body, and arginine, an essential amino acid, is the goal of cleansing the liver. Not to mention, nuts are a powerful fiber supplement. Leafy greens. Eating green, leafy vegetables daily is beneficial for overall health. Green vegetables contain compounds that help detoxify the liver. Therefore, it is recommended to include cauliflower, kale, broccoli and spinach in the diet. Turmeric and garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support the liver and activate enzymes that lead to the elimination of toxins from the liver. Turmeric contains curcumin, which, among other things, helps remove harmful substances from the body. It is also known to regenerate liver cells. These foods have many health benefits. However, if you are suffering from any medical problem or are undergoing any kind of treatment, you should consult with your doctor before using them. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.